Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Miller, and I'm excited to start this course. I have pretty minimal experience with learning research. The last time I did anything in reference to that was my undergrad, so that was several years ago, and I took a few courses with research, but in reference to sociology rather than social work. Um, What would make learning research fun for me is just knowing that I can do quantitative research on things that interest me and are applicable to what I want to do within my career for social work. So after viewing the syllabus, the thing that does excite me the most about this course is just becoming more knowledgeable how to do that quantitative research rather than qualitative. So I am excited to learn and become more knowledgeable on this so that I can apply it to um, my career in social work. All right, thanks, guys.